Ready to race number 1, and they're up. Early lead is taken by Mr. Integrity, compelled to lead on the outside. Laon on the farther outside, and moving up on the inside is Apo Bell. And nearing the far turn, Mr. Integrity by a length and a half, followed by Apo Bell by the rail, compelled to lead. Laon and Primera Clase. Rounding the far turn, it's Mr. Integrity on the outside, Apo Bell moving up on the inside, and Laon on the farther outside. And the last bend for home, it's Apo Bell by the rail, Mr. Integrity, and Laon on the outside, compelled to lead Primera Clase. And into the home stretch, it's Apo Bell by the rail, Mr. Integrity in between horses, Laon on the farther outside, compelled to lead and Primera Clase. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it's still Apo Bell in the lead, followed by Mr. Integrity on the outside, and Laon on the farther outside. But it's still Apo Bell, Mr. Integrity moving up on the outside. It's now Mr. Integrity, and finally, Mr. Integrity, Apo Bell, Laon compelled to lead Primera Clase.
Sabi ni Pati, ano ka mo?